Heck, I might as well document this. Let's see here. It's a balsam fir tree hung up in another one. And proximity to a building is it looks, pardon the glare, that end wants to punch right through that window or else punch through the side of the nature center. And what I have is, it's going to be hard to see, in the main part of the trunk I've got a white line, one of my old climb lines, attached to a nice sturdy maple tree. And I rigged that up. There's a butterfly hitch between the offending tree and then that maple tree, and I did a wrap and then used it like a canoe knot. There's a lot of tension there. Now on the top, I've got an old true blue that's going off that way to an ash tree, and that's under tension too. So my lines, the white one, let me step back, pardon this, this is like rather technical, is I've got the true blue on the broken piece of the top on the butt, and then the white line on the bowl or the trunk. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if my rope is going to keep it safe. Oh, I should have brought my little tripod-like operation. It's actually just a clamp. Get this in position, fire up the chainsaw, and I'm going to make one note, is that you're going to see me. I've got a helmet on, but I don't have earplugs, hearing protection. And the reason for that is, pardon, my hand is in front of the lens. The reason for that is that I was a climber. I was that guy that was up, you know, tied onto a rope, taking trees down, trimming and stuff. And when you're up there, in a lot of instances, you don't want to have hearing protection because you can't hear crackling. And so you balance it off. Do you want to potentially save your hearing, or do you want to avoid having a tree land on your head? So I'm not going to use hearing protection. And also, you know, when this is potentially bad for the building, especially that big expensive window, is what you do is you think things through, including which way you have the ropes around these other trees, because you don't want like the rope to get hung up on another tree and then cause some weird impulse when it falls. You think things through, you make a plan, do the best you can, and hope for the best. In this case, I think I'm relatively safe because that blue line is going to keep that top from falling off on the other side. I'm going to be on the safe side of the tree, on the opposite side of the ropes. Let's fire up the saw and see what happens. If something bad happens, you'll be the first to see it. What I found was good solid wood on that face cut. So everything looks good. I don't think that tree is like going to cause any problems with buckling. Here it goes. go on the blue line. Oh man, that was a tall tree. And so, I have to rig up. I'm going to use a come along. It's hung up way up there. The butt of it is just kind of suspended over there, which will allow me to, I'm going to tie a line around that butt there. And I've got a pretty stiff cedar tree right here. I should be able to use my come along to pull this thing this way until it reaches the ground. Then I'll figure it out. Didn't punch the Nature Center. Thank you for watching.